We've all heard or given those weak, half-hearted apologies like, I'm sorry if I hurt you, or I said I'm sorry, why are you still upset? Or, okay, fine, I'm sorry, can we move on now? Ah, these kinds of apologies do not bring healing because they lack sincerity, responsibility, and empathy. A real apology is not about moving past the issue quickly. It's about acknowledging the pain caused and restoring trust. Let's look at the right way to respond. A genuine apology includes three key elements. Number one, take responsibility. Acknowledge what you did without making excuses. For example, I realized I hurt you by dismissing your feelings. That wasn't fair. 2. Show empathy. Show empathy. Express you understand how your actions affected your spouse. This is very important. It makes them not to feel dismissed by what you did. It shows that you are being sincere. So, for example, you can say something like, I can see that what I said made you feel unimportant. That was never my intention. 3. Commit to change. Commit to change. Reassure your spouse that you will do better moving forward. So you could say something like, for example, I'll be more mindful of how I respond next time. So what makes an apology meaningful? 1. A meaningful apology is specific. Very specific. So don't just say, I'm sorry. Say what you are sorry for. I'm sorry, for example, I'm sorry for shouting on you, or I'm sorry for walking out on you. Be very specific. It shows that you acknowledge what you have done. 2. Be patient. Be patient. Healing takes time. Your spouse may need space in order to process and be able to get to the point where they can forgive you. Healing takes time, so be patient. So you don't say anything like, I said I'm sorry, so can we move on now? Why are you still upset? I've apologized, why are you still upset? Don't do that. Don't do that. It's wrong. You can't say that. 3. Back it up with action. Back it up with action. A changed behavior is the best proof of a sincere apology. So what if your spouse will not accept your apology? Sometimes even when we apologize, our spouse may still be hurt. And here's what to do. Give them time. Give them time. Don't rush them to forgive. Everybody is different, and the level and depth of the pain will also determine how quickly they will be able to forgive you. So give them time. Don't criticize them that if it was me by now, I would have moved on already. Please don't do anything like that. Stop that. Stop that. Don't do that. 2. Continue showing change through your actions. Continue showing change through your actions. And 3. Let your spouse express their feelings without you getting defensive. Sometimes they need to still talk about the issue as they are working their way through the healing process. Don't get defensive when they do that. It's helping them to heal. Listen, acknowledge the wrong again, and apologize if you have to. Be sincere. It's very important. You see, a true apology isn't about proving that you are right. It's about valuing your spouse and your relationship more than your ego. The words, I'm sorry, can either heal or hurt, depending on how they are said. A true apology isn't just about saying the right words, it's about taking responsibility, showing empathy, and making real changes. If you and your spouse are struggling with apologies, you are not alone. That is why I've put together something that can help us. My new book, The Apology Toolkit. It gives you step-by-step guidance on how to actually apologize in a way that heals the hurt, and how to respond even when your spouse gets it wrong. And I put in the 30 scripts covering different situations that we may experience in marriage, from forgetting your spouse's birthday to forgetting the anniversary to betrayal, lying, etc. Different situations that you can just think about how to apologize genuinely. So if you want to start repairing the damage and restoring the trust in your marriage, I want you to grab your copy of the Apology Toolkit right away from my website, joanbright.com. I'm going to drop the link in the description. I want you to like, share this video, drop a comment, and let me know how this video has been of help to you. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification button so you don't miss out on valuable videos that will help strengthen your marriage. And I'll see you in my next video, where I'll show you how to rebuild trust after hurtful words or actions. Steps to repair emotional damage in marriage.